There you go. Remember this, Stuart? New motor, Del?
Yep. Get it out there.
You need a bit of T-cut on that bonnet of yours. It's a little bit holy.
Yeah, it'll be alright. Put a bit of T-cut and a bit of chemical metal on it. It'll be fine.
Yeah, well, now we're starting on this one. We've relocated the steering back to where it was, down in the hole rather than up on top of it. You can see that's how the brakes work. Pulls on that arm. All these American tanks all work on the same principle, pretty much the same setup. Differential, steering differential and a brake either side. Lock up a track. Trying to get the sides on. Missed a bit in the middle. All bounced up then.
Why did you do that?
Right.
Last time you go fast.
First bit of side on.
And Lee, who's trucking all the way to Walcombe. Sean says, what about, instead of Kenny Loggins, Wendy Crossings, but loose? Excellent. Nice and white satin, very nice. Brian's moving still in the middle. Brian says, what about George Michael? A different free corner. And Andy is going anything by haircut 100, because I'm guessing, Andy, you think he's had at least 100 haircuts. Or Crossy and Caroline, both are real, they reckon. Tribe called Quest, can I kick it? Keep them coming. Loving your suggestions. Make them funny, make them punny. Take your greatest hit and bend it like Beckham. 61054, start your message with the word cake. WhatsApp or voice note, open .co.uk. Hits Radio. You're all the best models. They're more than pets. They are family. That includes giving them nutritious food and taste their Tels.com did especially
How the fuck does he starting to look like a tank, Del.
It certainly is. We're getting there, aren't we?
That there be tacked.
Road plate Stuart. People got to remember, we're a movie props company, not tank restorations. We make them look like tanks. They go faster. So, there you go. One road plate built Stuart tank. We've got a Perkins, an auto box to go in the back of this, and she'll fly along and won't look any different to any other Stuart tank probably. We're doing a welded hull version rather than because late war they started welding these rather than rivet them. So yeah, we'll put the Perkins in next week probably before we put the roof on. Makes it a bit easier. Off to the pub. Cheers, Del. Another week, another week work on it. Perkins engine next week.